My name is Jack Galt, and I'm the Controls Engineering Intern for the equipment team at the Coherent East Granby plant.
Hey everyone, I'm Mrudula.
I attend Georgetown University as an Operations and Analytics major.
I'm Varun and I'm the Supply Chain Intern for Coherent's East Granby, Connecticut location.
I'm Snaeha, and I'm a current Software Controls and Automation Intern at Coherent Corp this summer in Saxonburg, Pennsylvania.
My name is Dylan Surzak, and I'm interning at Coherent in Bar Break, New Jersey.
I am a sophomore at the University of Vermont studying mechanical engineering, and due to my father working for Coherent remotely at the Dallas plant, the opportunity piqued my interest.
I found out about Coherent through a family friend. I ultimately chose it because I believed I could gain really valuable experience and meet a lot of really cool people.
I am studying my master's in the field of industrial engineering. I found out that Applied Materials, they recently gave Coherent the Best Supplier Award.
I initially found out about Coherent through some family and friends, and I found out more about what they do, and I really loved how they worked on a lot of various projects, from the James Webb Telescope to some AR and VR technology.
I found out about the Coherent internship program through connections with Coherent employees. And the reason that I wanted to become a part of the team here is because of the reputation that Coherent has as a global leader in lasers.
When I get to work, I will check my Teams and email messages, have a stand-up meeting with the equipment team to see what different people are working on or what is slowing down production, and then I will get to work fixing things throughout the plant. I spend little time at my desk most days, instead working different sectors of the plant, firefighting and control or mechanical issues, along with developing cutting-edge technologies for fiber optic draw.
For me, a typical day as a Coherent intern under Ananta Ganga involves coming into work at around 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m., depending on if it's a work in the office day, since I'm a hybrid intern. I usually do some Coursera work in order to improve my technical skills so I can be a better intern and I can really expand my skill set. Then I usually leave for home at around 5 or 5:30.
My typical day of work revolves a lot in the analytics space as well as in the core supply chain. So one of my projects in analytics is to calibrate their safety stock level for raw materials. This in turn will help their inventory reduce cost. Also in the core supply chain, I feel that these are one of the best projects that I'm working on.
I'm currently working on database migration and data reconstruction, so that involves Python's pandas library and a SQL database.
A typical day for me involves creating new work instructions, updating old work instructions, and reviewing them with technicians to confirm process accuracy.
In my free time, I will go hiking, swimming, mountain biking, hang out with friends, or all of those at the same time, along with training for the upcoming regular season.
Outside of work, I am a very, very big reader. I'm a huge mystery, thriller, horror fanatic. I also really like music. I play the bass guitar, so outside of work, I tend to practice that as well. And yeah, those are my hobbies.
Outside of work, there are two things which I really enjoy doing. The first thing is, since I'm an electrical and electronic undergrad, I read a lot about various mobile processors that are coming in our smartphones. The second thing is I like to play a game called Carom. So with my friends. So all of us, we sit together and we enjoy playing Carom, and this really helps us relaxing after our work.
Outside of work, I love to travel, and so far this summer I've been to Germany, Iceland, the Poconos, Pennsylvania, and most recently to New Orleans, where I attended a leadership convention for my fraternity. I also enjoy working out, hanging out with friends, watching Netflix, and hiking.
In my free time on the weekends, I've spent my time exploring anything that isn't in walking distance. So I've gotten an opportunity to explore Pittsburgh's downtown and see Point State Park, as well as go to their amusement park here called Kennywood, which has been a ton of fun.